In this video, we will introduce the prep for API SIEE Source Inspector electrical equipment. Introduction to the API Source Inspector program. API SIEE exam structure. API SIEE exam content. Effective study strategies for the API SIEE exam. 1. What does the second letter of the four-letter cooling code on liquid-immersed transformers identify? A. Internal cooling medium in contact with the windings. B. Circulation mechanism for internal cooling medium. C. External cooling medium. D. Circulation mechanism for external cooling medium. 2. Which of the following is listed as a typical transformer inspection point in the guide? A. Verification of PCB content labeling. B. Rotor bar balance check. C. Impeller alignment. D. Ventilation fan blade pitch adjustment. 3. Which statement about a WP2 motor enclosure is correct according to the guide definitions? A. No outside air enters the motor. B. Outside air is drawn into and passed through the motor interior for cooling. C. It is used only for DC motors. D. It is identical to TEFC construction. 4. The primary purpose of the source inspection project plan is to provide the A. Project-specific details on how the inspection activities performed will meet the expected quality. B. Basis for the risk assessment associated with each specific piece of equipment. C. Experience, training and certification record of each source inspector assigned to each supplier, vendor. D. Safety and professional conduct policy for the inspector assigned to the supplier, vendor. 5. What is the interrupting rating of a piece of equipment? A. The peak current rating that a device has been certified to interrupt. B. The symmetrical current rating that a device has been certified to safely interrupt. C. The crest current rating that a device has been certified to safely interrupt. D. The load current rating that a device has been certified to interrupt. 6. What is the process that aims to find potential defects in a product before it is released for delivery? A. Inspection. B. Examination. C. Quality control. D. Quality assurance. 7. Before starting surveillance, the source inspector should confirm that the supplier, vendor has A. Only the latest code additions, regardless of contract requirements. B. The most current project documents specified in the engineering design. C. Only verbal instructions from procurement. D. Internal procedures but not drawings. 8. Which source inspection effort level is most appropriate for the highest risk equipment? A. No source inspection. B. Final source inspection only. C. Intermediate source inspection. D. Resident source inspection. 9. Who is responsible for verifying that non-conformance report NCR disposition has been properly implemented? A. Vendor's quality manager. B. Inspection coordinator. C. Source inspector. D. Manufacturing engineer. 10. Why should the dates for source inspection scheduled work process events such as the pre-inspection meeting, key inspection events and anticipated shipping date be identified in advance? A. To allow coordination with other project members involved in the activity. B. To ensure that all dates will meet the project schedule and quality requirements. C. To provide a sound basis for inspection and test planning for each shop. D. To be able to assign inspectors to the shops in order not to conflict with other projects. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe PASSERT for more IT exam prep.